A parameter that comes in very handy when you are doing big batch grinding will be the wheel compensation. So if you know exactly what is the wheel wear after 5 tools or 10 tools, or a spaced or a gap between a space of tools, then you can easily do that by automatic compensation. So in tool there is a wheel wear compensation, and one of the new entries is if you had an entry and we can say wheel pack 1 diameter, we also have a new entry now. Instead of doing the diameter, we can do the toroid radius. So this toroid radius is a new addition to the compensation parameter. So if I add wheel toroid compensation, basically when you are grinding a ball nose, you are actually using the toroid radius of the cup wheel, and rather than compensate the OD or the front face, if you maintain the compensation on the toroid radius of the cup wheel, it automatically maintains the radius and the size of the radius. So this is a handy feature to have when you are doing a big batch grinding of tools